What's up guys? To install CPU-Z, launch your favorite web browser and then search for CPU-Z just like that, and then click on CPU-Z softwares and you should find this page. I'll also leave a link to this page down in the description below so you don't have to keep searching. You can go to the description of this video and click on the direct link to take you to this website. Now while you're here, scroll and move to the left hand side and then click on the zip file, which is in English. Click on it and then confirm by clicking on download now. So choose where you want to save the zip file. I'll just choose the downloads folder, click on save, and once the download is complete, go to the download location and you should find the zip file there. Now all you need to do is extract the zip file, and Windows 11 can extract zip files. So right click and then select extract all, and then you can choose a different location or you can simply extract in the same folder. So I'll do just that, keep it simple. Click on extract, and once it extracts, it's going to open in a new folder. You can see the contents of this zip file have been extracted into this folder, and these are the contents of the folder. Now here you have two exe files. You have one for 32-bit computers and another one for 64-bit. Now since I have 64-bit, I'll double click to start installing. Click on yes. Meanwhile, let me just minimize this window so you can clearly see what you're doing. And that's it. Once the application has been installed, like I said, it's a very small application. Here's now the CPU-Z app in full force and working. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.